was gonna do my hair, but then I decided that I didn't want to. Hola, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a look that I created called Tequila Sunrise. Yeah, this look is fun. It's good for summer. I don't know, you tell me in the comments below. So if you want to see how to get this look, stick around and here we go. Okay, so I'm going to go in with Lime Crime's Venus 2 palette in the color Mustard and just swipe that across the lid to give a kind of like a warm sunset start. I'm just gonna bring this up a little bit higher than I normally would, because I want to give the impression of the rising sun or the setting sun, sunset, sunrise. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with that same Lime Crime Venus 2 palette in the color Mud. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the color Sequins from the BH Cosmetics Color Festival palette. BH Cosmetics Color Festival palette just blew my Lime Crime palette out of the water, so I might have to go back through and touch up with other colors. I don't know yet, we'll see. And there goes my brush. Okay, so next I'm taking my Morphe palette and going in with like a deep plum color just to kind of line the top of my lash line here. I really want the eyes to pop more with a more yellowish color. I'm going to go in with Kat Von D's Pastel Goth in the color Star. I've been using this palette a lot lately. I think I'm just like obsessed with all the bright colors. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt. I just want to say thanks for liking this video, subscribing, and turning on those post notifications. Thank you for helping a girl out. And this one is Perf. And I'm just gonna brush this super light over my brow line here. I think that's good. I keep dropping everything. Use Violet Voss Ride or Die Pro palette in the color Jane. Give a tiny little dab right there. A little bit. Little dab. I painted my nails at like midnight last night in the dark and it shows. I'm gonna just press the inner corner with that same color. Ooh. There, I'm using the same Morphe palette in a mustard color. Wow. Wow, that is dramatic. I'm gonna go in now with some eyeliner, some mascara, and some false eyelashes to complete this look. Guys, that's it for today's look. I hope you liked it. I think it turned out really nice. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and make sure to like and subscribe, turn on bell notifications. I'll see you next time. Bye. Well, right now I'm just using a white sheet, so we ain't bougie out here. We're from the junction. Bless you. That was so stupid. Oh my god.